Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is science and nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. What is the word for a young mule? Is it A, a bunny, B, a lamb, C, a cria, or D, a foal? The answer is D, a foal.
A young mule is called a foal, just like its horse and donkey parents. Mules are hybrids, born from a male donkey and a female horse. Despite their hybrid nature, mules inherit the best traits of both species, the strength of horses and the endurance of donkeys, making them exceptional work animals.
Question 2. What is the smallest bird in the world? Is it A, ostrich, B, pigeon, C, bee hummingbird, or D, great horned owl? The answer is C, bee hummingbird.
The bee hummingbird, native to Cuba, is the tiniest bird on Earth, measuring just about 2.2 inches long and weighing less than a dime. Despite its minuscule size, this vibrant creature beats its wings up to 80 times per second and can visit around 1,500 flowers in a single day.
Question 3. Who devised the periodic table of elements? Is it A, Michael Faraday, B, Marie Curie, C, Dmitri Mendeleev, or D, James Clerk Maxwell? The answer is C, Dmitri Mendeleev.
Dmitri Mendeleev, the brilliant Russian chemist, reportedly conceived the periodic table in a dream. He envisioned a table where elements were arranged by atomic weight, revealing recurring patterns. This visionary insight allowed him to predict the existence and properties of undiscovered elements, showcasing his extraordinary foresight and scientific intuition.
Question 4. What is asteroseismology the study of? Is it A, the internal structures of stars, B, church architecture, C, meteors, or D, caves? The answer is A, the internal structures of stars.
Asteroseismology, akin to listening to a star's heartbeat, deciphers the symphony of stellar vibrations. These cosmic quakes reveal secrets about a star's age, composition, and internal dynamics. By studying these oscillations, scientists can even determine the size and mass of distant stars with remarkable precision, unlocking mysteries light years away.
Question 5. What is the word for a group of swine? Is it A, a herd, B, a muster, C, a sloth, or D, a brace? The answer is A, a herd.
A group of swine is called a herd, but did you know that pigs are incredibly social animals? They communicate with each other using over 20 different vocalizations. From grunts to squeals, these sounds convey everything from excitement to distress, showcasing their complex social structures and intelligence.
Question 6. What is enology the study of? Is it A, wine and winemaking, B, gross and disgusting things, C, whales, dolphins, and porpoises, or D, Tibet? The answer is A, wine and winemaking.
Enology, the study of wine and winemaking, delves into the fascinating world where science meets art. This discipline explores everything from grape cultivation to fermentation techniques. Interestingly, ancient winemakers used tree resin as a preservative, a practice still seen in Greece's Rizzino wine today. Cheers to history in every sip.
Question 7. What is the collective name for rhinoceroses? Is it A, a forest, B, a crash, C, a loom, or D, a brush? The answer is B, a crash.
A group of rhinoceroses is called a crash, a fitting term given their massive size and power. Despite their formidable appearance, rhinos have poor eyesight, which sometimes leads them to charge at unfamiliar sounds or movements, hence the name. This collective noun captures both their strength and unpredictable nature.
Question 8. What is the word for a group of asses? Is it A, a brace, B, a pride, C, a cast, or D, a pace? The answer is D, a pace.
A group of asses is called a pace, a term that evokes the steady, rhythmic movement these animals are known for. Unlike their equine cousins, donkeys have an innate ability to navigate rugged terrains with ease, making them invaluable companions in many cultures throughout history.
Thanks for tuning in. We hope you had a blast and didn't find it too elementary. Until next time, keep your curiosity in orbit. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Farewell until tomorrow. Have a good one wherever you are. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.